Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying policy and gathering tools so you don't void warranty or lose access. First, power off and remove external devices, then inspect ports, hinge, and battery area for obvious damage. Next, boot to recovery or developer screen to capture error messages. If the system won't boot, prepare a USB recovery image. Once done, record model and serial numbers so you download the exact firmware and avoid incompatible parts. You now isolate the fault, boot from a recovery USB to rule out corrupted OS. If recovery succeeds, reinstall Chrome OS to fix software. If it fails, test power components by swapping chargers and charging the battery outside the device if removable. Once you open the chassis, inspect ribbon cables and connectors under good light. Loose cables cause intermittent problems. If display issues persist, test with an external monitor to determine if the GPU or LCD assembly is at fault. You finish by reassembling carefully, ensuring screws return to original holes and ESD precautions are maintained. Then perform a full power cycle and install firmware or BIOS updates to resolve low-level bugs. Run built-in diagnostics and test all ports, Wi-Fi, camera, and keyboard. If problems persist, prepare a concise escalation packet. List steps taken, attach logs and error codes, and contact admin or authorized repair with that packet so the next technician can continue without repeating basics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.